How to fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix this problem, then what you need to do is just right click on your Windows and go with Run. Now under Run, you need to enter the command which is resmon.exe and then hit the enter or go with OK. Now you'll get this kind of interface which is Resource Monitor. Here you will have the associated handles option, but make sure that you're under the CPU section. Under CPU, you will have associated handles. And here, for example, I'm just deleting this backup folder or the PDF folder right here. And if it says that the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another destination or something like that, or another program, then you just need to simply go with search handles, and you can go with the drop down and go with search handles, and here you need to enter the name of the folder. So just for example, I'll just enter PDF, and here you will have the image or something like that. So just click on it, right click on it, and you will have end process option. So just simply right click on it and you'll get end process if it's open on your browser. And once you end the process, then you can again try deleting the folder and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.